Welcome to the Vibe Beach Club. It's a vibe.
I'm like a golden crown rolling high up in the sky. Oh, it's so
The time of my life.
so good right now.
Me naman, I have.
Hindi tinatanong. Good morning! It's another day. Breakfast first before anything else. I need energy, guys. You know, morning person I am. Hazel's breakfast. Hazel's order. Mahilig sa pancake. So we just finished breakfast and doing some siesta time. Kakagising lang siesta uli. Why not? Taking advantage of the fresh air and the view. Diba? It's not always like this. Today is our 8th day of the cruise. Ang bilis, no? The 9-day Mediterranean cruise is about to end. We are less than 2 hours at the port of Ibiza. By 11 a.m. magdadock na yung barko doon sa Ibiza port. So later on, lalabas kami. Kami kumuha ng cruise today because we wanted to DIY. Meron kasing shuttle service si NCL na pwede nating magamit. Since malapit lang naman, we feel like we can manage to do our own. May mga port kasi na masyadong malayo from the highlights of the place. Pagka ganun, kailangan mo talaga ng tour. Pero dito naman sa Ibiza, mamamanage natin para matry din naman natin yung DIY. At dahil ang cruise ay matatapos na nga, meron na silang paganitong letter. You will be leaving soon, but the cruise will stay with you. Very true, guys. Alam mo yung mga experiences like this is one for the books. Kahit na lumipas na yung maraming years, tumanda ka na, may mariretain at may mariretain pa rin sa'yo. So, it's really good to invest on experiences. Feeling sad na matatapos na yung ating cruise. Ang bilis ng 9 days. How I wish 14 days na. Tomorrow we will be in Mallorca. And then, the day after that, we're going back to Barcelona. At meron silang paganyan, disembarkation program. O, diba? Kailangan mo ng mga assistance on disembarkation. So, farewell for now. Up to you, my friend. Medyo gloomy today. Pero feeling ko pagdating natin ng Ibiza, magkakaaraw yun. Based on my fearless forecast. So, we got an invitation from the Vibe Beach Club. Enjoy your vibe experience. Punta kami ngayon dito. Take advantage natin tong araw na to dahil in a few days, we will be disembarking the ship. Wow! Here's the Vibe Beach Club. Just stop your car. This Vibe Beach Club, medyo private, no? Much quiet than outside. Pagka gusto mo ng medyo hindi masyadong matao, gusto mo lang to clear up your mind, you want peace, you want calm, ayan, dito po ang punta. Then, meron syempre bar, and then, most of all, merong hot tub. The Vibe Beach Club's hot tub does not generate bubbles like hot tubs in other locations. Of course, lagi-lagi may mga safety information. Baka naiisip nyo bakit walang tao, guys. We are about to dock sa Ibiza Port. Most probably, yung mga tao is preparing. Nasa baba na sila, getting ready. May mga times na gusto talaga natin less crowded. Gusto natin ng private time. And this is the place. So, nag-film ulit kami ng reel. Jun is redeeming himself.
True. Kung bakit siya nakachinelas. Kayo naman,
Oo, diba?
Dito kasi siya pupunta.
Abangan niyo yung reel. And comment, sino ang galing sa airport na papuntang beach club? Try nating mag-hot tub sa ganito kahangin at kaginaw. Hindi, mainit naman. Kaya nga ate. Hello! Welcome to Spain, Maren. Mommy is enjoying the hot tub here at Norwegian Ski. Sarap! Na-enjoy ko. Warm naman siya, so okay lang. Tapos may sun pa. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Hello! Hi, Cap.
Beautiful day, right?
Yes.
Beautiful weather.
It's a vibe.
Done on our hot tub. Babada ko sa room. So I can prepare na and then we will have lunch and then get off to Ibiza. So now ready to go out for Ibiza. I am seeing the port. Kakadak lang natin. At ang ating cruise director ay nag-a-announce na ng welcome to the beautiful island of Ibiza. We're now here at the port. Kanina wala pa tayong natatanaw, di ba? We are here at Garden Cafe. Naaamoy ko na. Gusto ko ng soup, gusto ko ng rice. Tonight, Oriental ang ating dinner. Lunch is rice. I have chicken, veg, and then pork, and then I have soup. Singaporean rice daw to. Sarap. Pero, hindi ako kumuha ng sauce, sayang.
Man natin ang burger ala Mami Heidi.
Diba? Thank you.
Pwede po happy lang. Dito lang.
Not my usual flavor, guys. Pero trip ko lang for now. Dahil ako naka-chocolate na attire. Chocolate din tayo. Everybody is going out. Lahat lalabas for Ibiza. Tingnan niyo kung gaano kakapal yung lubid kung saan naka-anchor yung ship. Itong design ng ship is hand-painted by Guy Harvey. Para hindi syempre gagalaw, so yan yung kanyang anchor. We decided to take a taxi instead na mag-shuttle bus. Dahil mahaba yung pila, at saka para mas mabilis na din.
You know how much?
Around 12 euros. 12.
12 euros.
Yes.
So the financer is here. Wow, it's a girl. Saan ka? Sa harap or sa ano? Pizza.
Ibiza Force Hotel and Spa. Very, very small.
Ganda dito.
Oo nga. We're here at the old town of Ibiza.
Ito ang center.
Ito na yun. Ibang beauty and ibang feels. Nakapaikot sila sa dagat. So, kaya maraming bathing suit and all. Nice place. Another small town. Today is Sunday, kaya most of the shops are closed. Last Sunday, nasa Barcelona tayo. Ngayon naman, nandito tayo sa Ibiza. And they are both closed. Look at that sampay. Guess, di ba? Nasa Spain tayo, ha? Sabi ni Hazel, nakaka-aesthetic daw yung sampay. That's their way of life. Kasi wala silang pagsasampayan, di ba? Doon lang talaga sa kanilang veranda. Parang entrance ng castle.
Querida, la noche ha llegado acá.
May naka-emboss o engrave na something.
Tu vida, puedes dejar la
Tingnan naman yung
soledad.
flooring, guys.
Contigo ella está.
Hindi pwedeng naka-heels. Pupunta kayo ng Spain, wag yung itapat na linggo, ha? Kasi close sila. Parang feeling ko lang kung hindi Sunday today, mas lively and mas bet. It's a leather store. Ang babango. Yes, leather. Yes, amoy leather.
Everybody's coming at the same time. Sorry.
You know you are in Ibiza when you see all this gorgeous swimsuits. Ayan nga, oh. Diba, itong dami nito sa atin dyan, eh, oh. Ito, ang ganda. This linen long sleeve. Ang cute, ah. In fairness, ah. Pang beach talaga. Ang ganda ng sweatshirt, oh. Even this one, oh.
The price are not on the
Nice.
one more.
Cute. I think mga shops to, eh. Hindi yan to bahay. Kasi ano, restaurant. Oh, restaurant. Puro restaurant pala. Sa taas bahay nila.
Parang bahay yung galing mo kasi nakasampay na mga something.
Yan talaga yung way of life nila kasi wala silang ibang sampayan.
Y por la calle con su ropa
La Torreta,
femenina.
Ibiza.
Y todo el mundo está gritando, ay cómo va.
Handmade something boutique shop. Nakakatuwa dito sa Spain. They value yung time for family, rest, for relaxation. Imagine yung mall sa Barcelona isarado ng Sunday. Lahat sila is on a holiday on a Sunday. Samantalang sa atin, di ba, bukas. Sampay. Veranda talaga sila nagsasampay. Another sampay.
We're walking and literally, stones.
Mga,
English
hindi
na
naman,
ba to? Ay, stone.
hindi naman to cobblestones. Oh, may Santorini on the side.
Quiero decir, te elijo a ti. Si me dan a elegir, te elijo a
Guys, ang ganda ng plants. With flowers. Nice. At ang daming nagpipicture. Maraming mga small alleys na cute-cute. Aesthetic for photo op.
Ah, Intramuros nila to.
Part for defense for.
Ayan yung mga bahay sa kabila.
Maaga nagsisimula ang party. Naririnig niyo ba yun? The party is on. Yan, no? Tama ang sabi ni Eva, no? Iba ang party ng Spain.
True. Oo pala ang chismis. No? Iba palang mag-celebrate ang mga Spanish.
Kaya nga nakakatuwa, tingnan mo.
Oh, di ba, as early as 4 o'clock, game na! The sangria na at mga tapas, mga mali.
Umiingay na ang kalsada.
Ang Ang aga-aga pa. Meron na silang sangria. Spain is beautiful. Pizzeria Adios. Iba yung ano nila, aesthetic nila dito, and architecture, ano? Zona Pietonal. Nice to. Nice. Ang kapal. Stick. Diba? Spelling ng lasagna dito, oh. Enye. 15 euro lang. Eh, kasama ng serbesa negra. With the sampal.
Hola, Ibiza.
Ito na agad yung port. Walking distance lang naman. And that is NCL shuttle bus.
Bus number 5 siguro yan. Ang sad naman, di tayo kasama sa tinatawa.
Halika na, dali, try natin. Welcome to the beautiful island of Ibiza. Island sila guys kasi napapaikutan sila ng tubig pagkatapos ayat lang ng land area. So done on our DIY shore excursion. Sasakay na tayo ng taxi.
Nag-taxi na kami guys cause 20 minutes pa yung shuttle, which is kanina nakita nyo naman. Honestly, kanina nandun na kami. Sabi ni Jude, nagkako ng last 3 seats available. Nakakatawa kasi kami tatlo sana yun.
Oo, hindi ko narinig.
Akala namin, nag-shorex kasi siya na ba. So, nahiya kami lumapit.
Pero yung pala, shuttle pala siya.
Shuttle
Pwede
bus.
sana. Pero,
Sakto sana.
okay lang. Malapit lang naman, like 10 minutes.
Siempre igual, y pase lo que pase, tú sabes bien que nuestro amor lo voy a cuidar. Cuéntame si te enojas, mami, o si te sientes mal.
Dollar.
13,000 pesos.
30.
Mura lang po.
Kayang-kaya mo yun kung ikaw pa.
Mga 3 buwan.
Back to the ship! Dumating kami with another strawberry chocolates from the GM, right? GM ba yun?
Uy, pinawasan mo ba? Pipicture ako.
Ay, sorry. Pipicturean pala niya. Nagugutom na kasi ako. Gusto ko ng something Ayun o.
Tinanggal nyo!
Everyday may padala. O, bukas ulit. Di sabihin mo everyday.
Okay lang.
Pahinga lang muna. By 5:30, we will have our dinner sa Bayamo. Bayamo naman is seafood. Halos lahat ng specialty dining dito sa Norwegian Escape na try namin. Yung Bayamo tonight is our 7th specialty dining. Meron pa yung pang-8, si Cagnis. Yun naman ay steak. Hi, madam. Yeah, we have reservation for today, 5:30.
Alright, please give them a nice table.
We're all using the dining package, correct?
Yes?
They have a lot of dining packages.
Yeah.
Okay, on my side.
Have a lovely evening, ladies.
Thank you. Wow.
Ano daw dito?
I don't know. We have bread. I want clam chowder. Filet mignon. As a starter. Anong ba seller nyo dito, kuya?
Appetizer po, try niyo po si scallops and basil shrimp. Sa entree po, Supina Fisherman Platter.
Ready for your photo?
Yeah!
How was the day today? Did you get to go
Yeah.
outside?
Just explore DIY.
Yeah, why?
Rode a taxi.
Oh, that's nice.
We have the clam chowder soup. It's top clam chowder, stuffed with diced potato and topped with bacon.
Clam chowder.
Since nakapag-cruise na tayo before, parang feeling ko, alam na natin kung paano nag-work. So yung mga yung lahat.
Kanina we have clam chowder for soup. And then ngayon naman I have tuna, avocado for my appetizer. And it looks yummy.
Ang init nila magbigay ng plato.
Ako malamig. Depende kasi. Pagka yung food mo is mainit pa din.
The plate always hot. Ba't naging ganun na English?
Natanga lang po siya. I can see the avocado at the bottom.
Can you share to them? This is my
Oh, ano yan?
sizzling spicy shrimp. Nilaan ko lang. Crunchy shrimp. Blazing shrimp. Ikaw naman.
Oh,
Galing talaga ng ating kasama dito.
true.
Yum. Balik tayo.
Fresh tuna. Ang bango. Sarap. Ay, ang anghang.
Talaga? Hindi
Blazing eh. Anghang.
Hindi kaya.
Pero masarap.
Anong katuloy ni sir?
My main course is fisherman's platter. I have fries, squid, fish, I have shrimp.
Yum. Hindi na. Ang sama. O di wag na. I think I have chopino. I don't know what it is, but it has a lot of, seafood. Masarap yung lasa niya. It reminds me of yung luto ni Portuguese chef.
Kaya parang medyo bola-based soup na seafood, something casserole. Ayan.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yun na lang. Dahil hindi nyo naman tinatanong, edi wag na.
Hindi mo kasi tinatanong, sinasabi mo pa.
Samahan nyo, guys.
Pero, B, dahil hindi nila tinatanong, gusto ko malaman ng lasa.
O ngayon, nandito kayo nakatingin sa akin. Akala ko ba wala kayong pake sa food
Hindi.
ko?
Natutuwa na sila sa kulay eh.
Hindi, samahan mo kasi ng ito, samahan mo ng isda, masarap.
Ito gusto ko ba't nangingialam ko.
Masarap yung isda. Grabe, babe, look at me, seafood, babe, ka pa din. Bakit ang order niya, guys?
Oh, di ba? Mabilisan pa yan, Bia. Filet mignon. Ang lambat ng squid, ang sarap. Dahil ako ay mabait, bibigyan kita. Scallops.
Guys, masama lang siya talaga. Hindi niya lang kaya ubusin.
Have my steamed asparagus. Dessert is key lime orange. Dito torta nila, no? After nila ikamanan, marami. So we have our last lifestyle daily.
Talaga?
Eh, nakalagay na yun eh. Kung gusto, maiwan ka dito para hindi ka last.
Sad. Uy, nalulungkot na ako. This has been my home for the last,
Wow.
9 days.
Tomorrow is our day 9. We'll be at Mallorca, Spain. Oh, mainit din bukas. So, 22 degrees. So, carry pa tayo magbestida niyan. And then, arrival natin sa Mallorca is 8 in the morning. All aboard by 4:30 p.m. So, tomorrow is our basically last night. Kasi the following day, we're gonna wake up in Barcelona. Ang galing! Sobrang galing ng internet on board. Satellite daw ito. Let's take a nap. See you later.
Bye.